Hello my dear friends, my name is George, the nice medic gentleman. It's time for another fragrance review, and this time it's going to be about the Lattafa Fakhar from the house of Lattafa. But I'm not gonna only do a review of this fragrance, I'm also gonna unbox a mystery fragrance in front of the camera and tell you my initial impressions of that fragrance. So let's start. Alright, let's as usual start with the presentation of the Fakhar from the house of Lattafa. It comes in this black box. You have this big silver sticker in front where it says Lattafa Fakhar, Pride of Lattafa. On the back you have the authenticity sticker, some legal information as usual, and on the bottom there's the manufacturing date printed on the box. Mine bottle was made in July of this year. The actual bottle is this black bottle, somewhat heavy, thick glass. You have this silver thing in front like a figurine. It says Fakhar Lattafa, some sticker on the bottom. The bottle looks really nice. The only part of this bottle and presentation that I don't like is the cap. First of all, it looks really tacky, and also it doesn't really fit snugly into place, so there's no way that you can pick up the bottle through the cap. Alright, let's go through the notes of the Lattafa Fakhar as they're listed on the Fragrantica site. The top notes are apple, ginger, bergamot. The middle notes are lavender, sage, juniper, berries, and geranium. And the base notes are tonka bean, amberwood, cedar, and vetiver. Okay, let's spray this on a paper strip so you can see the sprayer in action as well. As you can see, the sprayer is pretty nice, puts a good amount of juice. Alright, so let's first talk about what this is supposed to be a clone of. A lot of people say that, and this has been hyped up as a clone of YSLY EDP. And I'm gonna say right from the start that this indeed reminds me of YSLY EDP, but I don't think it's a full-blown clone of that fragrance. In my opinion, Lattafa have taken the YSLY EDP and YSLY EDT. They've combined the notes together and they've come up with the Fakhar. Now this is sweeter than YSLY EDP, it's closer to YSLY EDP, but it's less sharp in the opening. The YSLY EDP has this sharpness at the beginning, this citrusy note that's really piercing the air. With the Fakhar you don't get that, you still get the citruses, you can pick up the apple and the bergamot, but you pick up the lavender as well, but it's less sharp, it's like more sweeter. It's as if you've taken the dry down of YSLY EDP and actually made the whole fragrance, the Lattafa Fakhar, to be like the dry down of YSLY EDP. Now it's a very nice fragrance, it's sweet. Once it settles down on the skin it becomes even sweeter. You then get the tonka bean, you get some of that vetiver. I really like it. It's a crowd-pleasing fragrance. It's a sort of a dumb-reach fragrance. When you don't know what to wear, you can safely go for this. It's a crowd pleaser. You're gonna get compliments with this fragrance. On the dry down, as I said, it becomes closer to YSLY EDP. It's still not a full-blown clone, but gets very close. Now, as far as performance goes, this thing I get about 6 to 7 hours on my skin. In fact, it stays for a bit longer than 7 hours on the skin, but it becomes like a really close to the skin scent. The good performance, the good part of the performance is up to 6 to 7 hours with good projection in the first about 90 minutes or hour and a half after you've sprayed it. You'll get pretty decent projection. After that it starts to settle down closer to your skin. So all in all, a pretty decent performing fragrance. Now, as far as versatility, as I said, it's really versatile fragrance. You can wear it in the hotter months, you can wear it in the colder months, you can wear it through the day or at night, you know, like going out. It's like a safe office scent as well. It will get you compliments, it will get attention to you. It's a really easy dumb reach fragrance. As far as the price goes, this thing goes somewhere between $25 and $30. Now, I just want to clarify something because people have asked me in the comments. I'm based in Europe, so when I'm quoting some prices, I'm actually quoting European prices. Some fragrances have different prices in the United States, you know, and different parts of the world. And I don't know what kind of a price you can get this for in the US. You have to do your research on your own. But here in Europe it goes for somewhere around 25 to 30 euros. Alright, now it's time to unbox that mystery fragrance that I showed you at the beginning of the video. The fragrance actually is Roberto Cavalli Uomo Golden Anniversary Limited Edition. So let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay. It's actually quite tough to open this box. Okay, we managed to do that. Let's check out the bottle. Ooh. Look at this golden fingerprint magnet of a bottle. Looks really nice. Okay, so let's check the Fragrantica page for this fragrance. See the notes. The information is still scarce because this is somewhat of a hard to find fragrance. Not a lot of people have voted on the Fragrantica site, yet it still has a very high score of 4.79. The notes listed on the Fragrantica site are black violet, tonka bean, leather, lavender, and gurgeon balsam. Let's spray a little bit on a paper strip and see how this smells. Okay, a nice sprayer. Alright. You definitely pick up the black violet, excuse me. You pick up on the lavender. This is really sexy. Very interesting. There's also that leather accord. You can definitely pick it up. It's supposed to be a leather fragrance. So it's sweet without being overbearingly sweet, but it's quite a sweet fragrance and quite a leathery fragrance. It really smells sexy. I guess you'll get a lot of compliments wearing this. Okay, so a very interesting fragrance from Roberto Cavalli. I think it's quite different to the other fragrances from this line. Alright, so I'm gonna have to test this, see how this performs, and later on I'm gonna do a video about like a full review of this fragrance. Alright guys, so in today's video I showed you the Lattafa Fakhar. I talked about this fragrance, how it performs, how it smells. I also unboxed live in front of you the Roberto Cavalli Uomo Golden Anniversary Edition fragrance. Quite a rare fragrance to find. And once I'm done testing this, I'm gonna do a video about it. I hope that you like this video. I hope that all of you guys stay safe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.